I've been building up a good collection of references, but so far I don't have the full text of any of these articles in my EndNote library. How do I add some PDFs of the full text to my references? There are a number of different ways to accomplish this, and you can choose whichever way suits you best. Firstly, you can use the Find Full Text tool, which prompts EndNote to go and find the full text of articles that you select and import them. This works best for items with DOI numbers. A DOI, like this one, is a string of numbers and letters that uniquely identifies a piece of information. You'll usually find DOIs applied to academic journal articles and sometimes book chapters. In an APA reference, the DOI should be formatted as a URL, like this. I'll select a number of references using Shift-click or Control-click, and then I'll click the Find Full Text button. In the left-hand panel, you'll see EndNote attempting to find PDFs that match these references. When it's finished, the results will be displayed. You can see how many it found and did not find. If you see a paperclip icon next to a reference, this tells you that a PDF is attached. So this reference now has a PDF, and I can see this at the top of the Summary tab and in the PDF tab. I can pop this PDF out to a new window, and then I can read it, print it, and even make annotations. I can add comments, and highlights, for example. If I make any annotations, I need to save the PDF when I close it. Another way to attach PDFs is even simpler. Just select a reference and click Attach PDF. I can now attach a file from my computer. I can also import PDFs directly into EndNote, and as long as they have a DOI, EndNote will create a reference for me to go along with the PDF. So I have an academic journal article here that I previously saved to my computer. I downloaded it from a library database and I know it has a DOI. To import it into EndNote, I choose File, Import, File. I make sure the import option is set to PDF. And then I browse for the file by clicking Choose. Now I click Import. EndNote has created a reference and attached the PDF to it. If you have a folder of downloaded PDFs with DOIs, you can import the whole folder at once. Just choose File, Import, Folder.